Hello, good morning, good evening, good night. Jambo, habari yenu asubuhi hii. Yeah, so I'm coming live here from the Haven Farm. In the slopes of Nyambene Hills, you can see them behind me there. And now we are coming here. In this episode today, on this video, we want to do manicure. Is it a pedicure or manicure of our fence? Yeah, it has been a while. Our fence has been growing each and every day. As you can see, it's now showing up above the tea leaves. And because of that now, we need to take care of it very well also. You know, everything needs care. The way now for the ladies in the house, they do go for the salon and the spa to be taking care of their nails. For us, we go for a shave. You see, I've shaved just recently. So that's how it happens now. Even for the fence, if you want it to grow neat and to grow better and for you to get to see beautiful result, you have to be there for it. When it needs pruning, you are there. When it needs some watering, you are there. Manuring, you are there. Watering and also doing the weeding, you are there. So today we are doing totally watering, weeding, and also twisting it around the fence like this. So you see, this is now what I'm talking about. So today we'll be doing also twisting around the chain link. Our fence, we have prepared it to it's a full live fence, but live fence doesn't come alone. It comes with a reinforcement of chain link. This is a chain link and also barbed wire. This one is for giving it that strong reinforcement, and also now to give the trees a path to follow. Like when they enter in those small holes of the chain link, they really catch up so fast. Before you get to know, then your fence is fully covered with live fence. And we'll be doing it now here today at this time of the hour of the day. And I'm not alone. I'll be doing it with a friend of mine here. Yeah, he's called my friend here, Mark. He's the one who will be helping me. We'll be doing it together. He's doing the weeding, and myself also, I will go on the other side. I do the trimming of the tea bushes to give him now a way to walk around. You see, our tea trees are growing each and every day. Palm tree is coming up well. Oh, look at this. It's becoming even taller than me. And I'm the one who planted it just recently. So that's what we'll be doing today. I want you to buckle up as we shape up this farm, as we do the manicure of our fence today, if I may call it like that. But we want it to look fantastic. Before the day ends, I'll do a final clip of how everything has turned out to be at the end of the day. So keep it locked and don't switch the dial. So today, giving Kwaria a camera dog. We're dealing with the fence now. I'm clearing this path because you see our fence is growing each and every day. So I want to clear the tea bushes to create a path. There's someone who is helping me in farmhand today. So he'll come doing the weeding of the fence as well as twisting or making the fence neat. Yeah, because now sometimes if you leave it to just grow without being done being weeded, or you weed we weed the fence, and at the same time you see like these growing branches, you twist them on the chain link. No cutting at the moment. It has not yet reached the range of being pruned or trimming. Now at this point it's just twisting and filling up all the gaps on the chain link until it becomes a completely sealed fence you can't see through, and a very strong one. Yeah, I really love live fence. Yeah, because here in Haven Farm we love being natural. So for me, I prefer live fence, and more so live fence of not one type of trees, not one type of shrub, on the fence, but different varieties of them. Like here I have some datura, I have some bougainvillea, I have some cypress at the same time, tea trees, and other types of flowers which are planted in here. So also in the time of blooming now, you might see the whole fence having colorful or being so colorful. Like for example, let me show you. You see like this one now. You see those flowers over there? Yeah, there are these flowers. There are those the purple ones. Those, I don't know if it's pink or what now. No, I'm not so much into the colors. Yeah, but that's how it happens now. Back with those different varieties of natural trees, which now with them they'll give the farm good aeration. Yeah, also if you are sitting there, there's fresh air coming in, being sieved by the whole fence, because it will grow. We want it to grow at this level, yeah, like around 8 feet tall fence. But that one can be achieved now in like 1 to 2 years. It's a journey. Yeah, this fence now, it's just 6 months old since we started this farm. It's when I planted this fence, but you see already where it's reaching me. I am like 1.5, and you see I'm not even 2 meters. How many feet I am now, I'm not sure, but for the meters I know it's 1.5 meters or 1.6 there. And you see the fence is reaching me here, so it's quite beautiful. So you do like this, and remember I told you that we will be doing pruning or the trimming of these tea bushes very soon. So that's why I want to do this first. We do with the weeding also before these tea bushes are trimmed, because yeah, hey, yeah, someone was calling me. Yeah, so before we trim it, because it's done the trimming on July or late June, and then now after 3 months we start harvesting it now. So this one on August, September we'll be harvesting it again, but for now we'll trim it down because it has overgrown. So this is how we are doing it. 1, 2. So you see, like these ones, I don't cut them at all. These ones are just for growing and going up and up until they attain the right size. Then now we start cutting them. Yeah, so after trimming now we have a clear path where now the guy who is helping me to do the weeding of the fence today can walk through while he is now uprooting all the weeds using a knife. You can't use a fork jembe here, so it's just using a knife, or we call it a panga, just using a panga to do the weeding while he is collecting all the trash and putting them where they're supposed to be. So that's the purpose of today. We'll be dealing with all of the fence of the farm, and also trying to plant or to hand where we can see there's a gap, because we still have some seedlings more so for the datura. We can continue planting more and more inside here, because since we have water in the farm, we can water them until they become of good size, right? This is the beauty of having live fence. You see the flowers. Which color is this now? So I can imagine now in like 2 years to come, you'll be seeing just flowers. In the blooming time, you just see flowers the whole fence. Yeah, you'll be just seeing flowers and flowers. Yeah, I have my friend who is helping me to do the weeding on the other side. So this fence has really grown. This is the 7th month now we are in, because we're on July. Yeah, we did all this planting on December when we did the first fencing of this farm. So this is how the weeding, this portion, the outside portion, that's how it looks. Very nice and neat. Yeah. You know, some of the trees which are on this fence, I planted them on April, and others I planted them earlier on January. But you see, it has grown to be very big. The fence is growing each and every day. So I know this will be a story one day. Me coming here each and every morning, each and every evening to take care of them, to take care of this fence, the whole farm. But not generally for the fence, I'm really working so hard for it. I want to see it up. Yeah. One, just for the privacy, and also again, that authentic. Yeah. And also to brings that touch of serene around the whole farm. Because you'll be having the fence with the different shades of flowers on it, and also with these flowers just beside it with my tea tree. This one also is very good, and the palm tree here also is growing to become big each and every day. Yeah. So I want to finish the video there today. It was quite a beautiful day, a productive one also. I'm happy. Yeah, I'm happy also that we achieved this. You know, each and every day when you do even something small and you make good use of your time the Lord has given us, because everybody is given 24 hours and 12 hours is the working hours. So I'm just happy for that. And also thank you for watching this video up to this head. Thank you also for always coming back. For the new subscribers, welcome to this family of Benaa Homesteading. And at the same time also, don't forget to like the video, comment, tell me where you're watching from. If you're a new subscriber, tell me. At least we welcome you in this loving community of this Benaa Homesteading. Again, share the videos also to your friends and family so that we can grow and have more people joining us in this family. Until we meet again to the next video, that is the next day, I want to wish you a blessed evening, a blessed night, a blessed morning, whatever time you're watching this video. Bye. See you. The sun is setting so beautifully over the other side as we finish the day from the farm.